asking the judge mercy and even Trinice Harris mercy. And I miss my child. I haven't seen her in over a year, and I haven't been perfect. You haven't been
You're on the
perfect.
phone. All right. Do both of you swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. I've noted that both are present. Go ahead and proceed.
Your Honor, this is a confirmation of arrears and a modification. The state is non-suiting its modification. It's confirmation of arrears. We don't have any agreement, so we'll need your help on the issues. I will call the mother. Ma'am, can you state your name for the record?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Trinisha Nicole Harris, ma'am.
And what's the child's name on the case?
Henry Aaron Moore.
And who does the child live with?
Me, ma'am.
Okay. And ma'am, the state has calculated child support to be modified to $568. Are you okay with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what type of insurance does the child have today?
Yes, my child has Blue Cross or Blue Shield. She's been having it since she was born.
Is it through your job, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, through the city of Dallas.
Okay. And does she have any secondary insurance active right now?
No secondary, but with me being no secondary.
Thank you. Would you like a reimbursement in the amount of $125 for that insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am, the state is requesting for the father to pay court costs. Are you in agreement with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And ma'am, are you requesting your address to be private?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the reason?
It's not physical abuse with Mr. Moore. It's just more so when we don't get along, and it's more verbal. And I don't know if this is the same Judge Aguilar. We had this issue when we initially started this case. It was verbal, and that's the only problem that I have with Mr. Moore.
Okay. Ma'am, is there an active protective order?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And when was the last time that you saw the father in person?
This is July, so over 6 months.
Okay. And ma'am,
Court will take judicial notice. There's a prior finding of family violence and there's a prior CP non-disclosure.
Right from the start, you can feel it. This isn't just another child support case. It's about control, safety, and whether these two parents can ever work together without the court holding their hands. And trust me, the judge isn't about to let emotions cloud the law.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am, would you want your non-disclosure to continue? Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am, is there anything else you would like to add?
The only thing that I would like to add is that Mr. Durrell is not a bad person, but when it comes to certain things, when it gets to finance, it's just that that's where that's where we don't get along. And like I know Texas have a court order where the child's father, they supposed to get their.
This is a game changer. The judge is reminding everyone that there's already a finding of family violence on the record. That history doesn't just disappear. It shapes every single decision moving forward. Should the mother's address stay private? Should visits be supervised? This moment answers a lot.
child the first, third, and fifth weekend. But if a person is not coming to get them, or if the child has something like sports or income tutoring or something like that, I don't know how to go about doing it. I want to be right in everything I do with Mr. Durham, but it's just that the inconsistency of him not getting his daughter, and it's always put back on me. Like I don't want him to see his daughter, and I have tracked every time that he has not called or
Your Honor, I'm
implied
going to
on.
object to this response. We're not here for visitation issues.
All right.
Okay, okay,
Granted.
yes, ma'am. Well, I'm sorry. I apologize.
It's all right. I pass this witness. I call the father. Sir, can you state your name for the record?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Daryl Moore.
Notice what just happened. The mother is pulling visitation issues into the conversation, but the opposing attorney immediately shuts it down. Why? Because today's hearing is about child support, not visitation. Smart move. It keeps the father from getting dragged into a completely different battle. Do you think that was fair, or should the court hear it all?
And, sir, are you okay with the mother's address remaining private?
No, ma'am. I would like to get back to the old days, like when I could just pull up and spend time with her and the other kids and do right. We just had a miscommunication one time because I decided to move out the house and move on. It was just a little bit of bitterness because she was upset because I moved on to somebody else, and that was one of the biggest mistake I made. Even though me and her wasn't happy, it's just a big mistake I made by leaving. When me and her was kind of communicating right, all three of my kids was all in the same.